Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my January 2021 SCT Sampler. And the first thing out here I'll start off with is this absolutely adorable Sending Hedge Hugs from Lawn Fawn, the stamp set. So that's really quite cute, very simple, but very usable. The theme is 2021. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. And inside, something different today. So we have Simple Stories Hello Today collection. And the majority of everything that is in this collection is that, or in this little kit, is that one collection, which is different. Normally you get two different samples of different types of materials. But because they have this 2021 theme, they actually gave us an entire year of cut aparts from Simple Stories. And so they gave us one page that represents each of the months, and the formats are all different. Sometimes you get a calendar, sometimes you get a great big word for the month. So this has made a lot of people use this to create all sorts of fun projects, like a mini album for the year or little journaling ideas. This has actually made it difficult for me to know what to do with this kit. Part of me doesn't want to start cutting into it because I feel like maybe it has a bigger purpose, like a bigger project that I could work on. Another part of me wants to cut into these fun papers and just embrace the colorfulness on the other side and not get focused in on the fact that I could create like a whole year project. So this one's a little intimidating for me, and I'm not really sure what direction I want to take with it. I really love, they give you a whole page of stickers. I love the sheet that I got because it has all of these little word stickers, which I find fantastic to create with. On top of all those pages, we also got these cut apart sheets. And again, some fantastic materials to create with, all from the same line. So you can really create a big project that all coordinates with it. And you can see a little glimpse of each of the ones here. So a really beautiful collection that they've given us. And again, the plain patterned papers on the back. And by plain, I just mean they're not specifically themed to specific months. But they are very pretty, very different colors than I'm used to working with. Some of the embellishments that I got are these stickers that say happy. This is from scrapbook.com, some little pop dots. And then little pieces of ephemera. Here we go, keeping it real. Little camera. So lots of cute, really usable pieces. These little hearts that are a unique sort of acetate kind of material. And then some little wooden pieces and some enamel dots. So yeah, so that's everything that came in the kit. I'm not sure if I'm ready to break in and create something with this one yet. Okay, well, I decided to not use it for specific dates and stuff, and to just use the materials. I'm going to show you everything I have left. This is it. That's it. Just like a couple little scraps of paper and some of these stickers. So what I created is I actually ended up making an entire Happy Mail. So if you look closely here, I made these little tags. I have these really nice In Love Art Shop dies that make tags of these sort of sizes. There's a circle one too, but they have like a nice stitched edge and everything. So I took those tags and then I created some fun little embellishments like these butterflies, and I handmade these flowers. Those flowers were all from In Love of Art Shop dies as well. I can link them below if you want to see where I got them from. I even had a discount code because they sent those to me as part of a collaboration. So anyways, I made these really cute embellishments here. More In Love of Art Chop dies. These are the big banner dies that I used again to make this little tag. And I fussy cut that flower and I just layered up some different things, and I've already packaged it up. And you can see I've used the word happy, that thickers, to create the packaging for that. Here's another package I've done up. It's already filled with sequins and everything. Let's take it out. We're going to make a little bit of a mess here probably getting out. But I made a memory decks card. Another In Love of Art Chop die. So this one is a memory decks that opens up, and it's got a little Velcro closure, and inside it says hello. So that's really fun little gift to send to my pen pal. Here's a few more embellishments. These ones have the word hello. And again, I just decorated those tags from there. This hello was from In Love of Art Chub. And these butterflies were actually one of the only dies I use that are not from there. I ordered them from Scrapbook Cottage, and they're my favorite butterflies. I use a two-step system, and I put a piece of vellum in between them. And then there you can see I fussy cut this little set of succulents, and I decorated it up with a bunch of embellishments here. And I created this little topper, so that is a fun little gift for my friend. I made an envelope with one of my envelope dies, and it has a little closure, and then there's a little packet of tea inside there. I decorated an envelope. Again, I just fussy cut some of these books out. I used some of the stickers. That's another die cut that I used. And then inside here, I've just filled it with some cut-aparts and some little rolled flowers I've made her so she can roll her own flowers, and some little pieces of ephemera. And then the last thing that I made were these little boxes, and I filled them with candy. And she can open each of these cute little containers with a little surprise inside of each, and that's just sitting nicely in the box. So that is everything that I created with this sampler. So you can see like how much I got out of this one sampler. It was a challenge because the papers were dated a lot on the back, or they had, like this for example is the back of one of the papers. Then it makes it difficult to use this unless you're actually using it in something where you don't see the back. Then I had to sort of be careful about how I use my papers. But otherwise, like, that's it. That's all I have left from this kit. So I'm excited to see what February brings. Every month is something different. These are colors I don't traditionally work with, and they're not really ones that I would seek out trying to find. But I'm really glad that I got these because it was fun putting these different things together and working with some products that are from companies that I don't always seek out, but definitely really enjoyed. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.